This is the King Griller by Char-Griller Gambler. It's a small, portable charcoal grill. If you've got a small space like a studio apartment with a little patio, or you like to go tailgating, or heck, maybe you go camping every weekend and you want to take something with you, this is the grill for you. So let me show you how I got it assembled. It's Sunday, and I'm Bob, and if you don't know what that means, it's time for another edition of Bob's Smokin' Sundays. We're not going to be cooking today. Today we're going to be putting together the King Griller Gambler Portable Charcoal Grill. Compliments of the fine folks at Char-Griller Grills. So what do you say? Let's unpack this, see what we got, and get it put together. One of the things that I really like that Char-Griller does with their grills is they give you a nice hardware pack. On the back tells you what the numbers are, as well as on the front, and then it gives you little perforated holes so you can have those open. Got the owner's manual. So we got some wheels, got some holes. So I'm just going to unpack this, probably go in fast motion until we get everything out and see what we got. Got two manuals. We got Spanish and English. We're going to go with the English. Then they give you a little goodie box, probably little nuts and bolts of stuff. Let's see. See what's in here. Various pieces and parts that you need to put it together. Alright, so we've made it to the step. We've got the grill pretty much upright. Now we've got to get the top part put on. So we have got the Char-Griller King Griller Gambler all assembled. Overall, pretty easy assembly. You know, always helps if you have an extra person. But we got the outside done. This part just lifts right up. This is the charcoal pan. This thing, it's got a couple of grooves here. Alright, so inside the grill there are a couple of tabs here. There's one here and one here. And this charcoal catcher will actually fit on both sides right into there. Then you can lift that centered up, lift it right out to clean out your charcoal. I like how it has this kind of little buffer zone here to kind of keep the charcoal in this area. Assembly was pretty easy. It took about 45 minutes once I got going. Not a ton of parts, so it wasn't too bad there. I like the shelf. It's got a shelf here on the side. You know, put a pan of meat, put your condiments or whatever here while you're cooking. It's got a thermometer. I like the blue Char-Griller King Griller logo. This thing, it's got cast iron grates inside. This thing is got a lot of space. Probably put maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 12 decent sized hamburgers, maybe 15 or so. Probably do a ton of hot dogs, a lot of chicken breasts, chicken thighs are going to be pretty awesome in this thing. I like the way it folds up. It's got nice portability. Take it down to a football game, take it down to whatever type of tailgate you're going for. This thing will be great. I can't wait to get it seasoned up. So if you like what you see here, go ahead and click like. Click that subscribe button, and you know what, ring that bell so you get notifications when I put out more videos like this, or when I'm cooking on this thing. So be kind to one another, make good food, and have a great day.